Refugees are not cargo. Deportation at level 4 is medically contraindicated. The Swiss Office of Migration violates human rights. Deportation risk at level 4. What triggers the disaster? Tight bondage to a chair, prevention of movement and creating emotion. The cardiovascular system reacts with a sudden onset of vasovagal mechanism which causes cardiac arrest, which may last several minutes and may ultimately cause death. Cardiac arrest occurs without warning in about 15% of healthy young men. After 6 seconds, loss of consciousness occurs. After 2 minutes, permanent brain damage is likely to happen, and after more than 3 minutes, death may occur. Vasovagal syncope may look as if the migrant fell asleep or finally calmed down, with the only sign of the head falling to the breast. It is medically forbidden to expose people to sitting bondage without continuous cardiovascular monitoring. Professor Richard Sutton wrote in an email, "The possibility of life-threatening hypertension is absolute, and the possibility of asystole is also very high. We have seen 90 seconds of asystole despite resumption of the horizontal position and elevation of the legs to the vertical on a standard tilt test. Asystole is much more common in young people than older subjects. Vasovagal syncope is almost as common in the sitting position as it is on standing, and there are approximately 10 case reports of vasovagal syncope occurring when supine. In the sitting position, the important hemodynamic points are that the legs are down and the thorax is vertical, so the distribution of the blood pool versus lying is quite similar to standing. Once vasovagal syncope occurs, immediate reaction is required: resuscitation, medication, and surveillance. Swiss authorities continue to deny that such medical evidence exists and are constantly threatening the health and the lives of migrants deported abroad using level 4 bondage. The Swiss Federal Office for Migration allows for deporting migrants at the level 4. Therefore, the Swiss Federal Office for Migration violates human rights. Refugees are not cargo.